Welcome. Today we're covering how to safely lift your Tesla Model 3 using jack stands. This is essential for maintenance like tire changes or inspections. We'll focus on Tesla's jack mode, proper lift points, and critical safety tips to prevent damage and ensure your safety. This video is up to date as of January 2026. Jack mode is a software feature introduced by Tesla in 2020 that optimizes your Model 3's air suspension for lifting. It raises the vehicle approximately 6 to 8 inches above the standard ride height, providing the necessary clearance for jacks and stands. This feature is available on long-range and performance models equipped with adaptive air suspension. As of 2026, activating jack mode is mandatory for safe lifting on air suspension vehicles to prevent damage and ensure warranty compliance. To activate jack mode, first park your Tesla Model 3 on a flat, level surface. Ensure the vehicle is in park and the parking brake is engaged. On the touchscreen, navigate to Controls, then Service, and select Jack Mode. Confirm to activate. The air suspension will automatically raise the vehicle, taking about 5 to 10 seconds. To deactivate Jack Mode, use the same menu on the touchscreen or simply drive the vehicle briefly. Always ensure jack mode is deactivated before resuming normal driving to maintain proper suspension function. Always use jack stands rated for at least 3,000 pounds per stand. This ensures they can safely support the weight of your Tesla Model 3. Never rely solely on the jack. Always place jack stands under the vehicle before working underneath it. Ensure the surface is solid and level. Park on concrete or firm ground to prevent the vehicle from shifting. Chock the opposite wheels to prevent rolling. Use wheel chocks on the wheels not being lifted. If performing electrical work, disconnect the high-voltage battery. Always consult Tesla service for this procedure to avoid injury or damage. Begin by lifting one side of the vehicle at a time, starting with either the front or rear. This ensures stability and prevents the car from shifting during the process. Position the floor jack directly on the designated lift point for the side you're lifting. Ensure the jack saddle is securely seated on the reinforced area. Slowly raise the vehicle using the jack until there is enough clearance to place the jack stands underneath. Raise it just enough to slide the stands into position. Securely place jack stands under reinforced areas such as the pinch weld or subframe. Ensure each stand is rated for at least 3,000 pounds and is firmly positioned. Slowly lower the jack until the vehicle rests firmly on the jack stands. Double-check that the stands are secure before removing the jack completely. Remember, never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Always use jack stands and double-check stability before proceeding with any maintenance. A common mistake when lifting a Tesla Model 3 is using incorrect lift points. This can lead to serious damage to the frame or battery pack. Always use only the Tesla-specified front and rear lifting points to ensure even weight distribution and avoid costly repairs. Another mistake is forgetting to activate jack mode before lifting. This software feature raises the air suspension for better clearance. Without it, the suspension can compress or damage, especially on air suspension-equipped Model 3s. Always activate jack mode through the touchscreen before starting any lifting procedure. The most dangerous mistake is skipping safety precautions. Always use proper jack stands, rated for at least 3,000 pounds, and never work under the vehicle, supported only by a jack. Double-check that the parking brake is engaged, the surface is level and solid, and all equipment is secure before beginning work. Now that you've completed your maintenance work on the Tesla Model 3, it's crucial to follow a proper post-lift checklist to ensure everything is done safely and correctly. First, slowly lower the vehicle using the jack, then carefully remove the jack stands one at a time. Make sure the vehicle is stable before removing each stand completely. Next, deactivate jack mode through the vehicle's touchscreen. Navigate to Controls, then Service, and select jack mode to exit this mode. This will return the air suspension to normal height. Third, carefully inspect the lift points for any signs of damage, such as scratches, dents, or structural issues. Check all 4 points where the jack and stands were placed. Remember, for any complex maintenance tasks beyond basic tire changes, it's always best to consult a professional Tesla service center to avoid potential warranty issues or safety risks. Finally, stay safe by always following these procedures. Proper lifting and maintenance of your Tesla Model 3 ensures the longevity of your vehicle and your personal safety.